Right near the halfway point of another week of September, and it's also C Tracks Think Train Week. September 16th, 2025. Seeing he's here, 2047, coming through from Ladysmith, Wisconsin with a blue line up here. Southbound Woodtick is here, and a northbound Sandwell is on standby on the Barronstown Main. Check him out on the roads and lean back again. Actually, General Freighter instead. 64. Expect this to show up. There's the W's there. WRX 901. End of train devices going. Not bad. Not bad at all. Didn't expect the partial continuous welded rail train to show up, but that is a big surprise. And that is an immediate highlight of the night, including the Canadian cab C44-9WL of the 2518 running in the second slot, while the DC variant of CN2264 do the honors. Nice. So that will do it for that partial continuous welded rail train. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Coming up in the next video, we will have the rollout of the northbound sand loads. Let's see what Power's doing the honors on that. And that's coming up next. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great evening. See you next time. I hope I will see you down the main line. See you and he's out.